Hello everyone, we're here at the Interpack 2026 in Düsseldorf. My name is Tristan Tettinger and I'm very happy that we are here with our tablet specialist, valued partner KORSCH. Today I'm here with Jochen Sommer, the Global Sales Director, and yeah, we would like to learn something about tablet production and also about tablet development. So Jochen, what can you tell us?
Okay. Yeah, Tristan, first of all, welcome to the show. Welcome to Interpack 2026. Welcome to the KORSCH booth. We have a lot here on the booth, starting from R&D and product development with our Live Lab, all the way to production machines, small, medium, and large quantity production. And there are two machines which I think are in particular interest because you don't see them so often. So one would be our R&D equipment, the Style Evo, in a high containment environment, which you can use to develop really high potent APIs up to OEB5 level. The interesting thing is that the isolator is huge, and you can use the isolator to work on your material, but in parallel also use independently the simulator inside to do your tablets. So it's a completely encapsulated development system, not only the press, but also the isolator to work in. On the other side, we are introducing here on Interpack the first time an entry-level machine, the KORSCH XT300. It's a classical rotary style tablet press for single layer tablets, which has all the core features that KORSCH is known for: absolute process stability, process control, top quality tablets. And it's stripped down basically to focus on those items, which makes the whole thing very attractive when it comes to price. And of course, it's all made in Germany, all made in Berlin.